it's looking pretty good. Okay, y'all. Easy one-pot meal is done. Let's plate us up some. Oh, yeah.
Just throw it on in there, hon.
Throw it on in there, hon. we're gonna throw it on in the oven for about 40 minutes.
Now to go with the chicken thighs, we're gonna make onion fritters.
Well, that's what I call them. Not even really gonna measure. I'm just gonna probably put about a good cup, maybe a cup and a half of flour. We're gonna put some salt. Pepper. Now Travis and myself, we like a lot of black pepper, but y'all do it ever how you like it. Some Totals showed this a lot. You can get it at Walmart or Amazon. I'll try to link it down below. Some paprika. And some garlic powder. Now in this iron skillet, pot, Dutch oven, whatever you call it, we're going to cut it on a medium high. We're going to put some olive oil in it. Probably about at least about that much. Whatever that is. We're going to give this a mix. There's different ways you can do this. And tonight we're just going to use some water to wet our onions and then coat them in this flour mixture. Now you can use eggs, you could use buttermilk or milk, but we're going to do it the cheapest way. When you're watching your pennies, with the groceries as high as they are right now, you can do it by just some water. Okay, now we're just going to take our onions and we're going to start placing a few at a time over here in our mixture. Then we're going to take a little bit of our water so I can get them to make little patties for me. We're going to add a little of the water to our flour mixture to get them to stay together. So we're going to go ahead and just put them all in there at once. Now I don't want to just take and pour all my water in there because that may be too much, but I am going to put probably about a good 2 tablespoons in there. And now we're going to mix them good. Now it's got a little bit wet. That's what I want. I'm going to actually spray my hand with a little bit of oil so they don't stick as bad, so I can form my onion patties. Fritters. Now sort of take and press it down to flatten it out. Got your heat up too high because you want them to get done. You may have to cut it down a little. We're going to go ahead and flip this one. It ain't quite ready. They're trying to fall apart on me, but I'm going to go ahead and cook them. I don't think I'm going to throw them out. We're going to go ahead and eat them. They're just not the prettiest fritters I've ever made. But around here, we're going to keep it real. Everything don't always work out. But that don't mean they won't be good. Okay, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and take them out. But I think they'll still be good. They're just not the prettiest little fritters you ever seen. But they're gonna go good with our chicken thighs. Let's check on our chicken. Oh, it's looking pretty good. We're gonna give it about another 15 minutes. Okay, y'all. Our easy one-pot meal is done. Let's plate us up some. I'm gonna check this biggest thigh right here to make sure they're done. Oh yeah. It's done. It's juicy and tender. That's what our one-pot meal turned out to look like. And we have our onion fritters to go with it. I hope y'all like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit the new hype button and the thumbs up. And if you hadn't subscribed already, you might consider hitting that button too. And like always, Travis and myself want to just say thanks for always watching our videos. We hope you enjoy them. Happy cooking. Well, okay, y'all, I hope you like this video on this one skillet chicken thigh dinner. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that new hype button they've got. It helps our channel get out there in the YouTube algorithm. If you like these kind of meals and you've got some ideas of what to make in one skillet, comment down below and share with us. Give everybody some ideas of different things that you can make in one skillet to keep it easy, simple, and fast. For our side, we done some onion fritters. They didn't turn out that perfect. I might do another whole video again on onion fritters, but I will include this in that video. They turned out delicious even though they didn't look that great. Happy cooking!